Here's the problem. You are on your computer and you're in some kind of program and you get stuck.
Oh, oh,
You don't know which button to click, you don't know how to accomplish your objective, and you're very frustrated.
my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Maybe you go to YouTube and you go find a tutorial, but the tutorial is like 1 hour long, and you know you don't need to watch an hour-long tutorial to do the thing, but you just can't find it. Well, what if I told you that Google has released a new tool, a new AI tool called AI Studio that will watch your screen as you navigate Canva or some other type of program and will help you along your journey because it can see what you're looking at and tell you what to click on. And that's exactly what I'm about to demo now. So, as for someone who makes tutorials and educates people for a living, this is very concerning. Will this kind of technology put me out of the tutorial business forever and no one will ever need my awesome tutorials? We'll find out. Maybe I'll have to find something else to do. Let's see.
Buff nuggets, oh, so golden and true. Buff nuggets, gonna enlighten.
Let's do this. So I'm in Google's AI Studio, and you do have some options of what kind of output do you want the AI to give. And so I want audio, I want it to speak to me. You can also change the voice. And what we're going to do today in this demo is share the screen. I want the AI to see what I'm looking at and help me learn something or how to do something. So let's get to it. You choose the window, you give it permission to see. Hey, can you help me do something in Canva?
Sure, I can help with that. What do you need help with in Canva?
All right, I want to make a chicken nugget dance and then export it as a GIF.
Okay, so you want to create an animation of a dancing chicken nugget and then export it as a GIF. To get started, would you like me to help you with finding a chicken nugget image?
Yeah, where is there one in here in Canva?
Yes, there are many images available in Canva. To find one, please click on the Elements tab on the left side of the screen, then search for chicken nugget. Would you like me to walk you through that now?
No, I will try and I'll let you know if I need help. I found some. Should I use a photo of a chicken nugget or a graphic of a chicken nugget?
Great, it sounds like you've got it from here. Let me know if you need help with anything else.
Should I use a photo or a graphic of a chicken
That
nugget?
is a good question. If you want a more realistic look, I would suggest using a photo. If you are looking for a more cartoon-like animation, I would suggest the graphic. Which style are you leaning towards? Okay, given you are creating an animation, a graphic of a chicken nugget might be easier to animate. But ultimately, it is up to you. Do you have a preference?
Now, you're looking at my screen. I did find one I like. It is on the template right now. Can you tell me what you're looking at? What does it look like to you?
Okay, I see you have chosen a cartoon chicken nugget with a smiling face and a thumbs up. It appears to be centered on the Canva design template. Is there anything else that you would like me to comment on?
No, I was just testing to see if you were looking at the same thing I was looking at. Now, how do I animate this chicken nugget?
Sure, I can help you with that. To animate your chicken nugget, you will need to use the Animate button, which is in the top toolbar next to the Share button. Would you like to proceed from there?
I don't see an animate button.
You're right, my apologies. The animate button will appear once you have selected an element to animate. Please click on the chicken nugget graphic, then the animate button should appear. Do you see it now?
Oh yeah, I see lots of options now. I'm going to choose one. All right. Now, how do I watch this wiggle in time?
Yes, I see it now. It looks like you. Great. It sounds like you're all set to start animating your. To watch the animation you have created, you can click on the play button located on the upper right corner of the Canva screen. Do you see it there?
No, I don't see a play button.
You are correct. Again, I apologize. There is no play button in the top right corner of the screen for animations in Canva. You can preview your animation by clicking the animate button and then selecting the animation that you have added to the element. If you click on it again, you can view the animation and determine if it meets your expectations. Would you like to try that out?
No, I think that's helpful. How do I export this as
Okay,
an
great. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
How do I export this as an animated GIF?
To export your design. Okay, to export your design as an animated GIF, you'll need to click the Share button in the top right corner of the Canva screen. Then select Download, and under the File. Okay, I see that you have clicked the Share button. Now click on Download, which is at the bottom of the menu that popped up. From there, change the file type from PNG to GIF and click on Download. Is it working for you?
Yes, I think this will work. Do I need a transparent background?
Perfect. It looks like you've successfully changed the file type to GIF. Now, just click the Download button and your animated GIF will be ready. Is there anything else I can help you with? That's a good question. If you want the background to be transparent, you should select the Transparent Background checkbox. If you want a solid background, leave it unchecked. Do you want a transparent background for your animated GIF?
Yeah, I thought it'd be cool to make it like a sticker.
Okay, it seems like you have encountered an error message that states there's only one image or graphic on your design. Premium images can't be exported on their own. Add more elements and try again. To export a premium image as a GIF, you will need to add another element such as a shape or text to the page, and then try downloading it again. Would you like to do this?
I will. I'm going to try that. I'll let you know if I need any more help. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Let me know if you need any further assistance.
What did you really think about it? I have some thoughts, but I want to hear yours. So if you don't mind, in the comments, let me know if you thought this would be super helpful to you. And if it is, make sure you share it with somebody because I bet somebody else might like that too. But let me tell you what I think about it. I think the current state, it's still a little too laggy. It's a little too slow, but that's because I'm a geek and I like clicking on things. And it's not that big of a deal. I mean, I could go to tutorials, and there's ways. And then, by the way, there are ways to take a 1 hour long tutorial and have AI analyze it and find the one thing that you need. But this is different because it can actually see what you're trying to do, what you're trying to click on. And I know for a fact that tech's going to get a lot better, and it's going to be so much more responsive and fast. And when I ask the bot to help me do something, it's going to be, yes, this is how you do the thing. So, hey, thanks a lot for watching this video. I want to give a quick shout out to my friend Dagan in Hawaii. He's an educator there. He's doing some cool stuff. He has a newsletter too. So again, if you like this, show the love, share it with a friend. And if you don't already get my newsletter, Buff Nuggets, you want the Buff Nugs. Yeah, you sign up. I put all the info in the description. See ya. Bye.
Wow.
Buff Nuggets, oh, so golden and